Alright guys, this is probably going to be really an unnecessary video for most of us. Uh, we're looking at a 5.3 Chevy 2012, but the issue is it's got a rough idle on it. Runs like shit, honestly. But what I'm seeing is with a lot of these kids, they're throwing a lot of money away at just not knowing the simple ways to kind of test their vehicles out for other problems. You know, they just see a check engine code and want to send it to a mechanic to check it out. What they need to understand, these motors basically they're basically computers now, but they're still the same thing as a normal motor. They need the same things to run. All it needs is air, fuel, compression, spark. One of the simple tests you can do if you're having a rough idle, and I know, like I said, I know 1,000 of you guys know this, but this motor's got to be sealed. If you're having a rough idle, check for vacuum leaks before you do anything else. Take a can of WD-40 and spray around like your intake seals and all that, anywhere where your vacuum lines. Start your truck up and let it idle, and then start spraying around your motor with WD-40, and you'll hear the tone change in the motor at certain points wherever you spray it at if you have a leak. It's a really simple, I mean, hell, a can of cost you $5, you know, and then that just pinpoints exactly where the problem is. This one here was showing a misfire on number 8, and I done a simple test on it, and the leak is right there above number 8 on the intake, and just a simple gasket's gonna be the fix. We're gonna go ahead and change the plugs and all that. It's got new coil packs and everything on it, but it's just like I said, you know, more or less this is for kids. This is what I like about YouTube. You know, it's I know a lot of people get on here and twerk shit like that, but I like the community that kind of help each other out and help everybody kind of find a easier way to work on their own vehicles versus having to take it all the way to somebody that's got a laptop put on there and tell you got an intake leak. I mean, there's a lot of tricks out there, and these are a lot of smart guys out here that know a lot of different tricks to save you just a shitload of money for unnecessary stuff. Because these guys are gonna take it in the shop, charge you $100 an hour to drink a cup of coffee and plug it into a computer and tell you just what a $6 can of WD-40 can. And I'm not saying that's going to be the fix all the time, but that's a good place to start, you know. But I mean, if I missed anything out, man, please, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I got thick skin, brother. Y'all can just tell me what you think, tell me what you want to. I just more or less do it for somebody else that's looking for the same problem, and hope it helps you. All right, bye.